Okay, our cargo conversion is getting really close to being done. So a real quick walkthrough. That's our Murphy bed, and that's a shelf. So when it's up, we have a shelf. I'm going to Velcro some pretty plastic plants to that. Curtains I made. There's a countertop. That's where I'll be having my induction stove. Right now I've got this on there just because I don't want it to get messed up. Here's some decorations. The microwave, there'll be a microwave cabinet that'll sit in. We have a full apartment size refrigerator. I think it's 11 cubic feet. Look at this. We have a full sink. It's not a double. I wanted a single. And our faucet. Beautiful windows. Some more decorations. Our TV with the fireplace. There's the epoxy table I made out of pennies and some silver dollar pieces that my husband's had since he was a child. That's our table. Then you go upstairs. That's what we call the upstairs. There's the utility closet, our mini split, and our bathroom. And I didn't turn the light on, but there's our bathroom. We have a cassette commode in there. No sink. We don't need two sinks. There's our bathtub / shower. And we have a rainfall shower head. And we have a huge cabinet back here that I'm right now storing everything in. And I've been trying to get stuff gradually moved out here. And sorry about the quick spin. And there's our floor, and there's Lexi. Thanks for watching.